Hello everyone, this is your boy DJ Mike D and I'm back here. Thank you so much for watching the channel. I've got so many questions for asking me how an R&B song can be produced and really sounds R&B. Now there are two key things. You must know the instruments that make R&B music, how they must sound like, because instruments that make dancehall music, that make Lingala music, that make rock music, they're not the same as those that will make an R&B song. Two, you must know how to go around and play them. How are they supposed to be played? And now I'll showcase using my song. This is a Model Girl by DJ Mike D. If you want to listen to the whole song to its entirety, the link is below. You can always listen to the song, but don't forget, to subscribe, to like, to share, and if you need more material off this channel, you can always hit the notification button. I will be so grateful. Let's start off. Now, like in Another Girl, how I told you, I always start off with a kick, something that sounds like this. Then the hats. I made soft snares using just claps. Now, like in Another Girl, I made the melodies using a piano. Here, I decided to use what they call a stab, something like this. Then you go on feeding the track with those instruments. You hear how they sound like? Typical R&B sounds. I decided to use some vocals. Water drops. Strings to give it flesh. And then 808. Come on, DJ Mike D, don't do this to me, don't do this to me. Listen to that. Okay, yes, so when you put all this together, fire, fire, fire. Typical R&B tune, typical R&B beat. So simple, that's how an R&B song is done. So don't forget to leave your comment below. Those who want to learn production, contact me. You can come to the D&D Records. I'll teach you production. Becoming a super producer is super easy. Technology has simplified things. Thank you so much for liking, subscribe, like, and hit that notification. Salute! The DJ is out of this place.